Hello and welcome. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some food. Tonight we're making a graham Kerr recipe that is very nice. It's kind of peasant food, but it's not really. It's just a very nice recipe that does not involve gallons of cream. So, out of view, I have my rice cooker making rice. Terribly complex. You know, I bought the thing in a thrift store. I use a rice cooker. It just works. Okay, what do we got? Well, I got some mushrooms. About a pound of mushrooms, sliced up, fried up. The important thing, brown your mushrooms. Leave them alone. Let them sit. These are just mushrooms sliced, cooked up in a little oil and salt. Complicated, right? So I'm going to cook that in a tomato sauce. I got my can of tomato sauce here. A little bit of garlic that I'm going to fry up first. Get a nice flavorful oil in the bottom. Throw in a little bit of fresh thyme. And this is one of those dishes where parsley is actually almost a vegetable. I got a fair amount of sliced up, just regular old curly parsley. Welcome to America. It's a graham Kerr recipe, so you got to go back in time. I got some white wine. Yeah, simple stuff. You saute the garlic, throw in the wine, the tomatoes, the herbs. If you want, you can add some beef stock concentrate to add a beefier flavor. The magic, if you can call it that it's served with poached eggs. Or you can do boiled eggs if you prefer. I'm going to be poaching these in a pan of boiling water. And America's Test Kitchen has a wonderful technique involving a strainer. What you do is you break the eggs very carefully into the strainer, strain off all the extraneous gooey stuff. And that way, when you put it in the water, you end up with this nice little compact, concentrated thing. It works wonderfully. It's beautiful. One thing to notice, my pan is non-stick. Because yes, even boiling eggs touch the bottom of the pan. Dinner. You want it to be any harder? Keep trying. What do we got? I got a pan. I'm going to add some oil, saute some garlic, throw in some herbs and some mushrooms, some tomato sauce, some garlic. Spiced. I got some eggs. Yeah. Dinner. It's that simple. You got rice, tomato sauce with mushrooms, and eggs. Oh, look, the rice is ready. That's very, very annoying sometimes, yes, but I got it at the right price. And it does something wonderful in that it keeps the rice on warm for whenever you're ready for it. So that's it. Graham Kerr's recipe. Eggs and spiced mushroom sauce. Tomatoes, mushrooms, parsley, thyme, garlic, white wine, maybe a little beef stock. Yeah, basic. What you do is you put the rice on the plate, put the egg in the middle, put the sauce around it. Everything looks pretty and everybody loves you. Sprinkle a little parsley on top if you're feeling adventurous. It's that easy. Yeah, dinner's just a plate of food. This is the way the rest of the world eats, quite frequently. You eat like this, your doctor's going to look at you and say, oh, I put your stuff into the computer and it laughed at me. You're going to live to be 2,000 years old. Yeah, he kind of said that to me. Yay. So this is social media. Please be social and subscribe. Like, share, YouTube. Be good YouTube citizens. Be nice to people too. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.